everyone, welcome to the tutorial video for how to use Jamboard. But before that, let's know about what is a Jamboard. So Jamboard is just an interactive whiteboard where you can write your content and insert your picture as well. Let's take a look. For this, you need to go on Google Apps, scroll down. Here you can see the icon of the Jamboard. Click on this. Once you have entered in this page, click on the new jam. Now on your screen, you can see a clear frame in front of you. Now for this, you can change the background here. Whatever background do you like, just click on that. You can also clear the frame from here. From the left side, all these are the tools. The first one is pen. You can select it and write whatever you want to write. This one is the eraser. You can erase. Suppose if you want to add any note here, you can select on sticky note. You can also change the color from here. Now save. And you have added the sticky note here. You can also rotate it like this. If you want to make another sticky note with the same content, you can click on the duplicate. And if you want to delete it, just click on delete. If you want to further edit, you can edit. If you want to add any image, you can select a file from your device. Select any image, the image which you want to add here. For example, I have chose one picture and I'm uploading it right here. So this is the image which I have inserted here. You can also expand the size of the picture. And if you want to delete, you can select the delete. This is a laser feature by which you can highlight the main topic or the main content which you want to highlight during your class. Once you are done with your topic, you can click on this more actions. You can rename your file. If you want to download your file as a PDF, you can download it from here. If you want to remove, you can remove it here. You can show this file while using screen sharing during your virtual classes, or you can simply download as a PDF and can save into a Google Classroom. For example, just click on this download as a PDF. So here we have downloaded our file. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Thank you for watching.